So Udaan is what I could say. Udaan is what you could say, right? Idea like India's answer to Alibaba, right?
Hmm.
And everyone adds their own commissions in the supply chain, right?
Yeah.
For B2B, we're simplifying it, and also we are solving issues like credit.
Hmm.
Getting a credit for running business is very difficult, right? Because the interest rate for low level loans, right?
Like first we'll discuss Udaan. Okay, Udaan is like
Okay.
unicorn. Obviously, not many people know of it. Like I was talking to my friend that I'll be having a guest from Udaan, and we are discussing this. So she asked me what is Udaan, and I was like,
Okay.
Udaan. Okay, okay, may not, some people may not know it, but Udaan is like a unicorn, Indian
Yes.
unicorn, one of the biggest startup in Indian ecosystem. So before, like, can you break down what is Udaan for us? How does Udaan function? What is exactly their business?
Okay. So Udaan is what I could say. Udaan is what you could say, right? Idea like India's answer to Alibaba, right? And a very crass word, right? And you just see the skeleton. It's an ecosystem for retailers, right? The kirana shops, right? The retailers, right? Across the plethora, be it food, FMCG, pharma, lifestyle, clothing, footwear, whatever, right? You can think of, right? Electrical supplies, right? So earlier it is trying to make a very unorganized sector. So it is like how the Indian ecosystem works. Product is manufactured in factories, goes to biggest wholesalers, then it goes to traders, then traders send it to the city's biggest wholesalers, and then they send it to the shops. And everyone adds their own commissions in the supply chain, right?
Yeah.
Everyone adds their own commission, right? What we're trying to do is we are trying to solve it. We're trying to make it digital. For example, earlier it was like, for example, some retailer who's good example, right? You are from which state?
I'm from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra, right? For example, you must know there is a small city or town known by the name Nanded, right?
Yeah.
So let's just say earlier, before there was a person, right, who has a small shop, very small shop in Nanded, right? Generally, he would buy his products from, let's just say, a big supplier or wholesaler who sits in Nanded itself, right?
Yeah.
Or at max, he could buy from someone from Nagpur or Mumbai or Indore, right?
Yeah.
It's very difficult for him to go and buy something made in Calcutta or Chennai or Bangalore, Jaipur or whatever like that. Here we are trying to digitalize it, right? We are trying to see any product, right? Be it manufacturers, very big traders. We're trying to bring everyone them on offline. We're trying to solve that ecosystem. That person can choose sitting wherever from a touch on a smartphone. Everything that is being made by all the big retailers, right? Most of the big retailers, right? In the sense. So it's like what Flipkart is for B2C generally. We're doing it for B2B. We're simplifying it, and also we are solving issues like credit. Getting a credit for running business is very difficult, right? Because the interest rate for low level loans, right? If you're taking from local people, right, it becomes very difficult. Exorbitant high rates, right? So we are solving it for that, right? Udaan is nothing. It's like any retailer can go on the platform and source his or her products, which it sells is to B2C customers from us.
So one thing I noticed that like took all my excitement was that you said Udaan also help for financing of the
Yes.
people on the
Correct.
platform, right? So,
Yeah.
okay. So where does Udaan come in the entire supply chain? Like manufacturers.
We are
and
a
then-
platform. We are a platform. We do not produce anything, right?
Yeah, obviously you do not produce, but then manufacture like who.
See, I'll
whatever
just give
the-
you a simple example, right? For example, I gave you one example. For example, I just give you a simple brief, right? To drill it down. For example, there is a product, right? Let's just say it name X. It is made in a factory in Delhi.
Okay.
The factory owner sells it to a very big wholesaler who sits in Chandni Chowk.
Okay.
Okay. Chandni Chowk seller, sells it to, let's just say, a big retailer who's sitting in Mumbai. Okay.
Okay.
The Mumbai retailer sends it to Nanded wholesaler, and from that Nanded wholesaler, that Nanded shopkeeper takes it, right? Udaan is nothing. That Nanded wholesaler now can open the app and directly see, right, what product is being made in Delhi. What is the pricing of the product? It can directly source it, right? And from our logistics ecosystem, right, we even have our own warehousing capabilities, which we are increasing day by day, right? So we also need to deliver it at very, very low rates, right? Because we have economies of scale. Because since we move products at a very high volume, right,
Yeah.
our per product cost comes down, right? Like delivery charges are very, very low, right? Very, very minuscule, right? So that in a nutshell we do it, right? For example, earlier again issue was price competitiveness. Someone sitting in Nanded or someone sitting in a small city like Jabalpur or someone sitting in a small city like you could say Baramati, right? Would not know कि what is the actual price of this project, right? They would know कि उसके स्टेट में या फिर उसके लोकल एरिया में कितने में मिलता है, right? They don't know the sourcing price. They don't know what is the big scale or what are the new freshness, what are the products that he could sell, right? For example, he's probably going into Surat and buying anything from Surat, right? He doesn't know the same product is being prepared at a lesser price, far lesser price in Calcutta. Got my example? Just give you a simple example. Don't take it verbatim, right? So that's what you do, right? The price competitiveness. We are opening the market for him, and most importantly, the products. Earlier, he didn't know he had access to these markets and the trust. For example, give you an example. Example: if I am sitting in, let's just say Delhi, and I order something from Chennai, from a that I do not know, there's a big risk, right? He may take my money. And send inferior goods and don't take returns. Or he may do something like that. I send money to him and then he escapes. I don't have that much time. I'll go there, put an FIR in Chennai and run away, right? We also give a problem that we are here. For example, if some issues happen, we are here for the returns. If something happens, we are here for the refund. So we will give insurance, right? Apart from the credit.
Interesting. So it's like there are many things to one company. First is like connecting the manufacturers to the platform. Second is connecting to the buyers to the platform.
Yes.
Third is handling the logistics.
Yes.
And also handling the finance.
Fourth is credit.
Fourth is credit for the people. So these are all the verticals in the business, right?
Yeah.
Okay.